everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the done for you girl. That's right, I do it for you. I am sitting here in Thailand just checking my account balance here, and come here, take a look. You see this? This is $92,000! What would you do with $92,000 in your bank account? Now, I'm inviting you today to click the button below and join me now in my live training. In fact, I will do all the work for you. And if I waste your time, or if you think it's not worth it, I will give you $100 right now. Now, I want to show you another thing, because this is the honest truth. Come here. Everyone is making money in my program. Look at this. This is a check from ClickBank. Someone made their first sale in less than 24 hours, and I'm inviting you to do the same. I can show you social proof for days, but let's stop talking and let's start making them. Let's go. Click the button below.